Welcome to the TermMax Curator site. Here's a quick demo of the main features. First, let's connect our wallet. You can quickly switch between different chains and use sorting, list, or card views to browse various types of information. Next, upon entering a vault, you will see relevant information including the addresses for the curator, guardian, and allocator. The first thing that catches your eye is the information for each order listed in this vault. This includes data related to the market and expiration date, as well as lending and borrowing liquidity. You can also see the current interest rate based on the order's curve and its present liquidity. Besides orders, the curator can manage the whitelist by adding new whitelisted addresses, set various parameters for the vault, and view information from different dimensions such as asset allocation, maturity distribution, and so on. There are several actions you can perform here. Let's start with Create Order. After selecting a market, you can use the drag bar to quickly set the different parameters for a standard curve, allowing for rapid adjustments to the quoted curve parameters. You can also use the flat option to quote a fixed rate. Or you can use Custom to define a customized rate. Finally, decide how much liquidity to place in this order, and a market-making order is created. Next up is making quick modifications to existing orders. You can adjust the spread or shift the entire curve up or down based on the lending curve. Then there are the quick actions, which allow you to swiftly deposit or withdraw funds within an order, thereby adjusting the vault's fund allocation. In the top left corner, you can quickly switch between different orders to inspect the details of each one. On the right, you'll find relevant information for this specific order, such as its expiration date, contract address, and related trading status. Click on Edit Order. You can see adjustments for the entire order's lending and borrowing curve cuts. You can also add and change the quoting curve by quickly clicking or using drag and drop. The dotted line represents the original quoting curve, while the solid line is the new version, allowing you to compare them easily. After saving, you can see the comparison to confirm if it's the quoting curve you intended. That concludes our introduction in this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.